Step 1 begins with a comprehensive land survey. Engineers precisely measure boundaries and plot points. This establishes the foundation for the entire project. Step 1 begins with a comprehensive land survey. Engineers precisely measure boundaries and plot points. This establishes the foundation for the entire project. Step laser-guided equipment ensures exact grading, creating a perfectly flat and uniform surface. Excavators dig deep pits, foundation trenches, underground tank pit, office footing excavation. Dump trucks remove soil. Workers check excavation depth. Drone flies inside excavation. Fuel pipeline installation requires HDPE pipes. We establish valve chambers and electrical conduits. Then, compaction is performed for ground stability. Concrete mixer trucks arrive. Pump machine pours concrete. Vibrate concrete. Laser screed finishing. Columns and beams cast. Massive slab casting. Time-lapse curing. Slow motion pour. Modern fuel dispensers are delivered. Workers position the machines. Technicians connect electrical wiring and fuel pipelines. The digital display is activated. After calibration and testing, cars are waiting. Step 14. Tile installation. Align with laser precision. Ensure perfect spacing. Tap with rubber hammer. Apply the grouting. Beautiful glow. Step 15. Painting. We begin with a quality primer, followed by and precise interior painting. We match corporate branding colors and add a protective coating for a perfect, clean finish.